So in this Tangerine Bank tutorial, I am going to be showing you how to open up a credit card here on Tangerine Bank. So once the app's opened up, I want you guys to go to the bottom left, press accounts. Then once you're here, scroll down to where it says open an account, or you can go to where it says explore our products right here and select credit card. So we'll just go ahead and do that for this example. Once you're on this page right here, the top bar will be on the credit card screen. You can go ahead and just scroll down a little bit and view which credit card may be right for you. So at this moment in time, Tangerine Bank is offering 3 different credit cards. So there's the Tangerine Money Back World's MasterCard. There's the Money Back credit card right here. There's also the Tangerine Rewards World's Elite MasterCard. So whatever one you want to select, go ahead and read more about it if you want. And if this looks good to you, so in this case, the Money Back credit card, go to the bottom, press add accounts, and then go ahead and press continue. And then once you're on this page, you can review your product. So in this case, I have the Money Back credit card selected. If this looks good to you, go to the bottom, press continue, and then you can proceed with the application and opening up the credit card that you selected this way. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That's how you guys can open up a credit card here on Tangerine Bank. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.